Go. Go. Change. Good job. Go. Go. Good job. Come on. Good job. Keep going. Good job. Go. Very nice work. Come on. Fast speed. Good job, you guys. Looking easy. That's good job, Caitlin. Good job. Good job, Tucker. Doing good, Helen. Doing good, Kate. Good job, Kate. Stick with her. You can do it. Come on, Kate. Come on, Helen. You're doing great. Good job. Good job. Keep moving. Look up. Come on. Faster speed. You're doing great. Last uphill. Good job. Good job. Come on. Doing great. You can catch him. Come on, you got him. Don't stress on the uphill. Good job. Very nice. Good job. Good job. Hi. Smile.
You want to go on a downhill? Oh, you've been no pulling this whole time? You've been no pulling? No pull? Yeah. You are fast.
Job. Doing great, Emily. Don't see anybody. Oh, Caitlin, sorry. You're doing great. Don't see. Now I see Emily. You have about 50 feet. Good job. Good job, Emily. Doing good. You're almost done. You're almost done. You're doing great. You're hurting well. It's supposed to hurt. It's okay. Don't lose her, okay? Helen, you're doing great. Right around the corner, you see Emily. You're doing good. You three are real close. You're doing good. Lift her. Good job. Good job. You can see her.
George.
Let's go, George. He's right around the corner.
Let's go, George.
Let's go.
Yeah, Sam. Come on, Sam. You got. Yeah, Caitlin, you got this. Way to go, Caitlin. You awesome. All right, Emily. You got it. You got it. Way to go, guys. All the way in. All the way in. Yeah, Helen, you got this.